Good afternoon, everybody. I'm a little late today getting out and about. I was doing some LiDAR work and it just took away all my whole day. But I was out coming south along the Southwest Rapid Transit and I was reminded about the Wynne Woods here. And of course, on the north end of that, the old Pemby crossing. I don't know how many of you remember the Pemby Hotel or the Pembina Hotel. There used to be a walkway and a road that crossed here on Parker, and it was closed, I think, permanently in 2005. I'll give you more information about the Pemby, Wynne Woods, and the Parker crossing down below. But if you get a chance, come exploring these little green areas. Nice aspen parkland that's right here. Not very big, but still nice. Um, if you still need to get across to Pembina, you can take the Southwest Rapid Transit, or a little bit further south here, Edgerton still has a Sly Foxway that takes you across. We'll talk to you all soon. Bye.